sheep. Sanitation, health and environment.
Hello, Sanitary Inspector students.
Students, in today's session, we will learn disposal methods of liquid waste. Sedimentation and dewatering. Sedimentation is nothing but a process of settling down of heavier particles present in a liquid mixture. For example, in a mixture of sand and water, sand settles down at the bottom. This is called sedimentation. Sedimentation has been used to treat wastewater. Primary treatment of sewage is removal of floating and settleable solids through sedimentation. This one method that is used to separate the water out of solid waste in non-hazardous liquid waste. The liquid waste is left in a sediment basin and any contaminants are easily removed. The water that remains in the basin is filtered and treated as needed. And the solid waste is sent to the landfill area. Students, what about landfill? About landfill we have studied in the solid waste chapter, but still listen carefully. What is landfill? A landfill site, also known as dump, rubbish dump, garbage dump, or dumping ground, is a site for the disposal of waste materials. Next is dewatering. Dewatering is another method to use when the liquid waste is non-hazardous. With this, the liquid is pumped into a huge bag and the water is removed. The solid waste left behind is disposed of at the landfill like with the sedimentation method. Industries can dispose of their liquid waste through these two categories such as sedimentation and dewatering. Dewatering or anhydration removes water from the liquid waste so that only solid waste remains behind. Then the remaining solid waste can be separated from the water through sedimentation. When solid waste and water from the industrial waste are separated, then the water can be purified through various processes and can be used in construction work, cleaning of streets, etc. Incineration. This is the most widely used process in treatment of liquid waste. In this process, liquid waste is destroyed by burning at an appropriate temperature. Hazardous liquid waste are best disposed of using incineration. The heat is produced by a multiple hearth furnaces or a fluidized bed furnace. This will dispose of hazardous waste like acids, scrap materials, slag, rock tailings, oil, and other chemicals. Any water left behind is clear and free of contaminants. But downsides of the incinerators are expensive to the build and operate and have a high energy requirement. Incinerators require continuous maintenance and skilled personnel on site. There can also be an unsightly smell and waste products.